Kodi Tamil movie summary. Kodi and Anbu are twin brothers. Politics have been a part of Kodi's life ever since his birth in Pollachi. Kodi's mute father Murugan was a low-rung Democratic Party worker and led his twins to be named by their party president. He brings Kodi into the world of politics before self-immolating in protest against a factory whose toxic mercury waste had ruined lives in the locality in 1995. Anbu, an intelligent engineering college professor, is not political at all. Kodi grows up being political with his friend Bhagat and is in a relationship with Rudra who, like Kodi, has been a politician all her life, but with the opposing Republican Party currently in power. Kodi, despite opposition from ex-minister Marimuthu, becomes district youth wing organizer for the party's Coimbatore district due to his popularity and work. While fighting members of the opposition on the street one day, Kodi breaks a trolley of eggs that Malthi is trying to sell to a shopkeeper. She chases after him to no avail, before leaving for an appointment at a college cafeteria, where she has an interview for a contract to sell eggs. She comes across Anbu, mistaking him for Kodi, before finding out about his twin brother. Anbu and Malthi fall in love. Later on, Malthi tells him about how the factories near her village dump all of their mercury waste where people live, impacting the lives of the villagers negatively. Anbu is worried and tells Kodi. Meanwhile, Rudra is frustrated about being stereotyped as lower down in her party because she is a woman and poor. One night, she overhears that Arival Hagan, the state education minister from the Coimbatore district, actually dropped out of school and falsified his election nominations. She tips this information off to the Democratic Party, who file a suit against the minister. In a few months, the minister loses the case and is disqualified from his position as an MLA, and the by-elections are announced for the Pollachi constituency. Rudra befriends the ex-minister, becomes the interim district secretary, and then kicks him out. The Democratic Party are excited about the by-elections, despite the notion that the then incumbent state ruling party always wins by-elections for the last 25 years, regardless of who rules. Kodi meets his party supremo, who tells him that they will talk about the opposition's scandal after the by-elections. Meanwhile, Anbu provides the documents about the mercury waste to Kodi, who then finds out that his ex-minister and party senior Marimuthu, and the entire Democratic Party top brass, are responsible for what happened to the villagers affected by the factory, as they were the ruling party at the time. Feeling betrayed, he shares this with Rudra in confidence, who brings it up at her next public speech. Enraged and embarrassed, the Democratic leader plots to keep Kodi silent by announcing him as their by-election candidate, now running right against Rudra. When the Republican Party finds out about Kodi and Rudra's relationship, they start pressuring her to give up her candidacy. Photos of Rudra and Kodi's vacations leak online, and the campaign is stalled. The chief minister warns Rudra to slide the campaign in her favor within a day, or he will change candidate. A depressed Rudra asks Kodi to meet her in the woods to talk, and she tells him about the ex-minister standing in her way to success before she eliminated him. They get ambushed by goons that Arival Hagan sent to kill Rudra, but Kodi beats them blue and black. Rudra suddenly backstabs Kodi, apologizes, and tells him that he was her last obstacle. Kodi is broken by betrayal but decides to die for her, and the by-elections are cancelled for 3 months due to the death of the candidate. Anbu goes to quarrel with Kodi's party members, and he is kicked out. Rudra meets Kodi's family and tells them she can convince her party to give Anbu the candidacy for MLA. Though the mother declines it angrily, Anbu accepts it and wins the by-election unopposed. Rudra is made the full-time district secretary and an MP of Rajya Sabha as a bonus. Anbu, as MLA, comes to congratulate her. His look and body language are now completely changed to match his brother Kodi's, much to Rudra's dismay. Anbu lets her know that he is very invested and interested in his brother's murder as well as the mercury waste issue. Kotrevil, a member of the Democratic Party, finds a forest camera hidden in the woods that recorded Rudra killing Cody. He threatens Rudra with this and tells her to fix the mercury waste issue. Rudra uses Crime Branch Inspector V. Ravichandran as a pawn to destroy the evidence and kill Kotrevil, but is still afraid of Anbu finding out about everything as he is taking the documents about the factory to the court. In an attempt to stop him, Rudra kidnaps his mother and Bhagat and tells Anbu to come to the factory. Anbu realizes that Rudra killed Cody, and he gets into a fight with Rudra's goons, Kotrevil and Marimuthu, resulting in Anbu coming on top. He had come to the factory to kill Rudra, but his mother tells him that it is not worth it and to spare her. As they leave, Bhagat impales Rudra with an iron rod, saying he wished for Rudra and Cody to live happily, but she ruined it and leaves her for dead.